as you grow and develop in life, you fall in love with people and you fall out of love with people. You fall in love with habits and ways of doing things, and you fall out of love with those habits and the way that you was once doing things. And I think that's just all a part of growing, family. And as we grow, we have to let go of certain things, and we have to prune and mold other things, and so they can bring forth life in our life. And I realize it now, family, because I fell out of love several times, and I fell out of love last year. And now I'm creating a new desire, a new love for something, and everything takes one day at a time, family, and nothing comes overnight. It's almost like, you know, falling in love. It's like planting a new seed. Every hour, if you go out there, you might not see no progress. But if you allow life to do what it do, and you take care of that seed, and you go back and check on it, and you water it, and you tend to it, and make sure ain't no bugs, ain't nothing getting on it to kill it, it's gonna grow, family. It will grow. It has to. It was written.